Picture windows are known for their large, unobstructed glass and ability to frame beautiful outdoor views. In Layton, where homeowners experience scenic mountain backdrops, bright seasonal changes, and clear skies, picture windows can dramatically enhance both the look and feel of a home. Because picture windows don't open, they're designed primarily for maximizing natural light and views. Choosing the right location is key to getting the most value and performance from them. Here are the best places to install picture windows in Layton homes. Living rooms with scenic views. The living room is one of the most popular spots for picture windows, and for good reason. It's often the largest gathering space in the home, making it ideal for showcasing expansive outdoor views. In Layton, many homes enjoy views of nearby mountains, open skies, or landscaped yards. A well-placed picture window can turn that view into a focal point. Beyond aesthetics, picture windows flood the room with natural light, making living areas feel larger, brighter, and more inviting, especially during winter months when daylight hours are shorter. Dining areas. For natural ambiance, installing a picture window in a dining room creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Natural light enhances meals, gatherings, and everyday family time. In Layton homes with backyard patios or gardens, a dining room picture window can create a seamless visual connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Pairing a picture window with side casement or double-hung windows also allows you to combine ventilation with uninterrupted views. Stairwells and two-story spaces. Stairwells and tall entryways are often underutilized when it comes to window placement. Installing a picture window in these areas adds dramatic architectural appeal while bringing natural light into spaces that might otherwise feel dim. In Layton, where winters can feel darker, a well-placed picture window in a two-story space can brighten the entire home. Bedrooms with privacy and views. Picture windows can also work beautifully in bedrooms, particularly when positioned to capture scenic views without compromising privacy. For example, a bedroom overlooking a backyard, open field, or mountain view can benefit from a large fixed window that enhances relaxation and morning light. Energy-efficient glass ensures that comfort isn't sacrificed, even with larger glass areas. Above-seating areas or built-in picture windows work especially well when centered above sofas, built-in benches, or decorative shelving. The large glass panel acts as a visual anchor for the room. In Layton homes with modern or open-concept layouts, this placement enhances the feeling of spaciousness and design continuity. Home offices. For productivity. Natural light has been shown to support productivity and focus. Installing a picture window in a home office allows you to enjoy outdoor views while maintaining a comfortable work environment. In Layton's climate, choosing energy-efficient glazing helps prevent glare and excessive heat buildup during sunny days. Combining with other window styles. Because picture windows do not open, they are often paired with operable windows for ventilation. Flanking a picture window with casement or double-hung windows creates both functionality and visual balance. This combination works well in living rooms, master suites, and open-concept spaces. Consider sun orientation when selecting the location for picture windows in Layton. Sun exposure matters. South and west-facing windows receive more direct sunlight. Choosing energy-efficient glass with low E coatings helps manage solar heat gain while maintaining brightness. Professional guidance ensures your window placement maximizes light without creating overheating issues. A bright upgrade for Layton homes. Picture windows are a powerful design feature when installed in the right locations. Whether in living rooms, stairwells, dining areas, or home offices, they enhance natural light, showcase views, and create a sense of openness. For Layton homeowners looking to brighten their space and elevate their home's design, strategically placed picture windows offer beauty, efficiency, and long-term value.